My name is Thomas and today I'm going to be tinkering on this 2018 Nissan Titan. I'm going to be showing you how to remove GoPro mounts or car emblems. The first thing you should know is that no matter if you want to remove this guy or this guy, the procedure is going to be the exact same. Step 1. Fill up a kettle to max and boil the water. It never happened. Ooh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Step number 2, pop on some gloves, grab a cloth, and grab any kind of flathead screwdriver. Now all you're gonna do is pour the water in nice and slowly as to not waste it. We're aiming to warm up the glue that's keeping the GoPro mount or the emblem attached to your vehicle, and then we can pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. Make sure not to waste any water. We've already used about a quarter. Now you're just gonna wrap the screwdriver in the towel, place your hand along the neck, grab the handle, and you're just gonna push in and try and pop off with the flathead. And et voila, it should come off. Now take the rest of the water, pour it on. Now take your cloth and wipe down the area just to get rid of any excess glue. There we go, clean as a whistle. The one thing you want to be careful of is not to scratch the paint off your car with the end of your flathead. Just be very, very careful where you're putting this. Sometimes the emblems or GoPro mounts can be squashed very close to the paint. You might want to get a thinner one if you can. This one's quite thick for what I was doing. Now if you're wondering why I have a GoPro mount on the side of this 2018 Nissan Titan, it's because I partnered up with Fish Creek Nissan. They lent me their 6-inch lifted brand new Platinum Reserve Nissan Titan to test, review, and do a tour of. That video is going to be coming out very soon, and I had to put a GoPro there to get a certain angle for the video. Here's a sneak peek. That video is the reason that it is 2:32 a.m. and I'm still out here shooting. I just wrapped up the night part of the shoot with this 2018 Nissan Titan. I'm so excited to release this video for you guys to watch. I will put it at the end of this video as well as linking it down in the description below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and like this video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.